Hi, I'm Umar Chuktai, Senior MDM Architect and Principal at InfoTrellis. I have over 15 years experience in architecting and delivering master data management solutions for clients across various industry sectors. Welcome to the InfoTrellis webinar on why upgrade your IBM InfoSphere MDM to 11.x. InfoTrellis is a premier information management products and services company that specializes in master data management, data integration, and big data technologies to help customers realize the full value of their information assets. Founded in 2007 by three of the original MDM architects who helped create the IBM InfoSphere MDM Advanced Edition product, we have been successfully delivering IBM InfoSphere MDM projects for clients in North America, EMEA, and India. Our customers represent all major industry verticals, including financial services, banking and insurance, retail, automotive, healthcare, life sciences, manufacturing, and telecommunication. We have a team of 300 plus professionals employed across the US, Canada, and India. We are a proud partner for the entire suite of IBM InfoSphere products, including all editions of IBM InfoSphere MDM. Advanced Edition, Collaboration Edition, and Standard Edition. Our data integration practice has expertise in ETL tools such as DataStage, Informatica, and integration tools such as IBM Integration Bus, SAP PI, IBM Cast Iron, and Data Quality. And profiling tools such as Quality Stage, IDQ, and InfoTrellis' Veriscope. In short, MDM is in our DNA. We are headquartered in Toronto in offices in Austin, Texas, Chennai, and Delhi in India. Our clients include many Fortune 500 companies, including companies like Volkswagen, JCPenney, Farmers Insurance, and Northern Trust. Next, we will discuss some of the details about the current MDM edition and the benefits of upgrading to IBM MDM version 11.x. The current MDM landscape consists of Enterprise Edition, Advanced Edition, Standard Edition, and Collaborative Edition. Enterprise Edition is the version which addresses all your MDM needs with a single comprehensive solution. It encapsulates goodness of Advanced Edition and Standard Edition, which was formerly called Master Data Management Service or Initiate. It also includes Reference Data Management and MDM Collaborative Edition, also known as MDM VIM. Advanced Edition, formerly called MDM Server, has been repackaged to include the features of Standard Edition as well. IBM has invested in harmonizing the technical and functional features of MDM Server and Standard Edition. Reference Data Management helps customers manage and define reference data as an enterprise standard. If you are interested in knowing about RDM, please visit our website page www.infotrellis.com/webinar to access the webcast IBM Reference Data Management. Finally, Collaborative Edition helps customers to streamline authoring and managing product information for enterprise use. Customers can opt to either host their MDM solution on-premise or via a hosted cloud environment. IBM has decided to sunset support for all of their MDM versions prior to MDM 10.x. Certainly, upgrading should be a priority for organizations on pre-10.x version. Additionally, for all pre-11.x customers, IBM MDM version 11.x and many new and advanced features that have been built to address important customer pain points. So let's look in detail at the benefits of upgrading MDM to version 11.x. Following benefits have been collated through comprehensive review of upgrade projects InfoTrellis has successfully executed over the last 2 years. We have tracked a marked improvement in performance of MDM version 11.x over its previous version. InfoTrellis, through our experience, can surgically improve performance of common areas through the upgrade process. The OSGI framework will help engineers deploy customizations on top of the existing product environment without the need to stop and start the server. This is a productive way of managing MDM code deployments, as it allows your business to continue while changes are effected at the background. As I mentioned while discussing the various editions of MDM, when customers deploy Advanced Edition to their server, it also ensures the availability of physical MDM. This is because IBM has packaged Advanced Edition to include all the features of Standard Edition or Initiate. Therefore, both virtual and physical MDM are available in single infrastructure, which enables seamless migration between virtual and physical MDM wherever customer intends to do so. Since Advanced Edition allows customers to master their data simultaneously using a combination of distributed data sources aggregated through virtual MDM, a single golden copy of data is maintained in the physical MDM. This supports the best of both worlds available in a single place. With Advanced Edition, IBM has also introduced Data Stewardship Center, which helps customers to achieve consistent visibility and collaboration, which enables customers to govern their master data professionally. This capability is enabled through a set of built-in process applications. New features of Standard and Advanced Editions include: number 1, IBM Quality Stage, which allows customer address data to be standardized before being loaded into MDM, has been integrated with virtual MDM, that is Standard Edition. 2. IBM has upgraded suspect duplicate processing with the ability to generate better duplicate results based on frequency of values in the data and weight. This feature is called Probabilistic Matching Engine and is available out of the box with IBM MDM Advanced Edition. Previously, customers would have to plug into third-party adapters to access the probabilistic matching engine. 3. Another important enhancement to Advanced Edition is the availability of the Application Toolkit plugin, which facilitates workflow and collaborative authoring on top of IBM's Business Process Manager. This plugin enables development of a workflow on top of BPM, which can be seamlessly integrated with MDM. Leverage new features of CE. There are a host of improvements made on Collaborative Edition's UI to make it more user-centric and enhance the user experience. Number 1. With the upgrade to version 11.x, customers will have access to an improved UI, intuitive and ensures better performance than earlier versions. 2. A new workflow dashboard simplifies the job of business users by providing a graphical view of assigned entries and tasks with priorities, which enhances the user experience. In addition, there are a number of add-ons to the dashboard that enables business users to navigate to workflow steps or entries. 3. Another great addition to CE is the ability to customize labels such as item and category based on specific customer requirements. Number 4. The Java API has become more robust and is the backbone of MDM CE. This allows customers to integrate MDM CE with various applications. Earlier, developers had to rely on scripting to extend the functionality of MDM CE, but IBM has put in a lot of efforts to develop the Java API, which has become a benchmark for extending functionality to various applications. Number 5. IBM has made enhancements to the Advanced Catalog Management feature, which supports full export of the attribute dictionary attributes and catalog groups. Number 6. IBM has also introduced an impressive new feature in MDM CE, which allows banking customers to quick start their deployment, utilizing a sample data model to manage their products. To summarize, upgrading to version 11.x not only allows you to continue to benefit from IBM's product support, but also provides many enhancements to improve performance, functionality, and usability. So, why use InfoTrellis to help with your upgrade? First, we have compiled a comprehensive MDM upgrade process by collating lessons from our previous MDM upgrade projects executed for various customers across multiple industries. High-level approach to upgrade. Regardless of which edition of MDM we are upgrading, the high-level approach adopted by us does not vary. We start with setting up the requisite infrastructure in the client environment. Once the infrastructure is set up and tested, the new version of InfoSphere MDM is installed, and a confidence test is executed to check the health of the installation. Next, the database schema and configuration data is upgraded to the latest version. All the extensions and customizations made by the customer on top of the out-of-the-box MDM functionality can be migrated to the new schema, and more specifically for MDM SE and AE, move the existing deployments to the OSGI framework, now available with version 11.x. Once this process is completed, we point all MDM applications to the upgraded database and form a health check. Finally, once the results from the health checks are satisfactory in the lower environment, we repeat the process to upgrade in all other environments. Through our experience, has created a proven MDM deployment methodology to ensure a professional and successful approach to all our MDM projects. Project steps include: A. Scope and approach. During this phase, we conduct a complete study of the source systems which are feeding data to and from MDM, along with the business rules encompassed with those systems. We also work with data stewards to understand any requirements necessary to improve the current rules executed by earlier version of MDM. All findings are documented and presented to the customer for approval and sign-off. B. As described in the previous slide, we will complete the infrastructure setup and migrate the database to the new schema before applying customizations to the database. C. An important aspect of our MDM projects is our quality assurance stage, where we use an indigenously developed InfoTrellis service tester tool to quality test the MDM application. This tool enables us to reduce the total deployment time frame by up to 20%, as it enables automating MDM functional testing. This tool has ability to send requests to MDM and validate responses received from MDM to ensure all customizations are deployed as per customer requirements. On a high level, all these phases will take about 23 weeks to execute, with MDM ready to go live at the end of the 23rd week. However, to reiterate, the timeline will change depending on what new business rules and customer requirements are identified. While beneficial to the overall solution, enhancements increase the complexity of the upgrade project. So our projects also include 2 to 3 weeks of post-go-live support to address any issues that may be identified after go-live. Project approach. InfoTrellis has developed our Smart MDM methodology, which brings a common sense approach based on part of the rational unified process and agile development methodologies. This model blends deliverables with accountability to ensure a high-quality MDM deployment. Our experience and the use of our proven methodology is the secret sauce for all our MDM projects, be it new deployment or migrating to newer versions of InfoSphere MDM. It begins with scope and approach, where each of customers' source systems, business rules, and data governance rules are broken into pieces and analyzed. All the risks are clearly documented with a mitigation plan to avert any roadblocks which may arise due to identified risks. The main objective of the scope and approach phase is to ensure customer awareness about the upgrade project and set expectations right about expected outcome of project. The phases mentioned in blue are executed iteratively, under which an analysis and design of each of MDM service is completed, along clearly documented test strategy, which will include a defined scope of testing, a test plan, an entry, and an exit criteria. Once the client signs off on the test strategy, test scenarios and test cases are created for validating each of customization. Upon completion of the analysis and design phase, development of MDM components incorporating extensions, additions, behavior extensions, and business proxies are executed, and then followed by testing of these components using our automation tools like InfoTrellis Service Tester, InfoTrellis Batch XML Validator, etc. The iterative approach ensures the customer is able to focus on small groups of features of the MDM solution rather than seeing everything at once. By focusing on just the features developed during this iteration and then providing feedback, we are able to avoid a last-minute scramble to address all the issues at once, a situation which inevitably delays the project. Once quality assurance certifies the MDM code, it is deployed in production, and production support is extended to the client to address any issues faced by customer in their MDM implementation. Next, we will discuss some of the key challenges faced by clients that are specific to the MDM upgrade process. These challenges include a lack of experience in understanding the MDM process and handling of the newer version of MDM, unavailability of current documentation, and often no or limited experience in testing MDM upgrade end-to-end. This is exactly where InfoTrellis adds value to the project. As specialists who have handled numerous MDM projects, both new deployment and upgrades, we bring a clearly defined approach and timelines at high level derived from multiple upgrade projects we have executed for our clients. InfoTrellis has encountered a wide variety of source systems and associated rules. We have experience in all editions of MDM, namely AE, CE, and SE. We have experience in handling various data integration tools which enable seamless migration of data from old versions to the new version. Our experience enables us to quickly understand our customers' requirements and effectively document them. InfoTrellis has developed indigenous testing tools which enables automation of the entire MDM functional testing process to ensure your MDM deployment is of the highest quality. InfoTrellis has an enterprise data integration practice which has been staffed with resources who have diverse skill sets and experience in a variety of data integration technologies, including but not limited to IBM DataStage, SQL Server, Microsoft SSIS, etc. This enables us to identify platform-specific scenarios and choose the best option to apply in another platform. In a nutshell, our people and their expertise in relevant technologies, along with the innovative processes we follow, makes us the partner of choice of any company looking to upgrade their InfoSphere MDM. Case study. To wrap up, I would like to present a case study where we upgraded the MDM solution for a leading US retailer. For this upgrade, we have faced a number of business challenges where 1. The customer's MDM version 8.5 had already reached end of life support and the customer wanted to migrate the DB from their mainframe. 2. Due to a huge volume of data transactions, their performance SLA had never been met. Number 3. The client was using iLog, which has been sunset in MDM version 11 and replaced with ODM. InfoTrellis helped the customer by number 1. Following the project approach mentioned earlier to deliver a high quality and highly scalable MDM application. Number 2. Performance was improved by following the right partitioning scheme in the new database and by making improvements to current queries without affecting functionality. Number 3. Automated regression testing allowed the execution of regression tests involving 1,000+ business cases on V11 and the capture of functional differences in only 2 hours. Number 4. iLog rules were replaced with Java rules and code tables since the client did not see ODM as a viable replacement for iLog for migrating their business rules. Number 5. A cutover strategy was defined to reduce downtime as MDM is required to sell application for the customer. Key accomplishments of the project include: Number 1. The upgrade was achieved in a minimum time frame. Number 2. Our team migrated over 200 million customer records and 185 plus touch points to MDM v11. Number 3. With new partitioning scheme in place, performance of services increased by 100%, allowing the customer to finally achieve their performance SLAs. For more information, or if you would like to discuss upgrading your MDM solution, you may contact us at sales@infotrellis.com. I sincerely thank you for taking time. You may find this webcast, Why Upgrade Your InfoSphere MDM to version 11.x, on our webpage www.infotrellis.com/webcast. We look forward to working with you on your MDM upgrade project soon. Thank you.